What's good, YouTube? So I'm boy back with another video, and today we got another car POV. Right now it is nighttime. I don't think I gave y'all one in a while, but y'all hear the pops. I know y'all hear them. We can turn this back on. I was behind the cop a second ago. I know y'all hear that. Oh man, we're gonna go to manual mode while we in track, and I'm just gonna shift like when it's time to shift. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna shift about 3,000. You're gonna hear the pops. Watch. Roll the windows down for y'all so y'all can actually hear them. I'm sorry I'm not talking. Damn. I'm sorry I'm not talking, y'all. I just love hearing this. Like, listen. That shit sounds crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of cold outside, so I gotta roll the window back up. But yeah, we are. We not in the city, but we like, you know. Oh my goodness. Now we are about to get on the highway, as y'all can see. What the fuck? Oh, that was his friend. Bro, we are at 50 miles in forward. You know how rare that is for me to pop this much? But y'all, I'm getting very consistent on this channel, as I hope y'all can see. So I hope y'all do enjoy that. Damn, I know y'all heard that one. That one said pop, pop, pop. Let me do that again. Let me try it again. I didn't do it how I did it. Let me try one more time. Man, that's crazy. Get something under the bridge right quick. Man, I'm gonna go on the actual tunnel run for y'all, where pretty much the whole video is me driving through tunnels. Like, of course, I'm gonna have to do POVs to get to the tunnels, but I don't even have to record that if I don't want to. But I do want to do that because I feel like that would be cool as hell. Like, one, I love the way my car sounds. I can get pops in the tunnels, which will probably sound crazy. I can get shifts in the tunnel. I can just get pulls in the tunnel. You really. But I'm gonna do that. So, because I feel like that'll be a great video for y'all. And y'all let me know. I don't know how long this will come out before like all these other videos, but y'all let me know if y'all mess with the camera videos. Like As I told y'all, I did do a few videos with my actual camera. Like, damn, this shit keep bumping, bro. God damn. But what was I saying? Oh, like, what the hell was that? These outside videos, I'm gonna start using the camera. It depends. Like, I gotta have the camera with me, and I can't be recording another video, like vlogging on my main, because the clips will just get mixed up. Y'all hear these, bro? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I wanna try to hit a new top speed in my car. Not gonna tell y'all what it is, and I would not do it on camera. I just wanted to tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? Because when I did it, I was out of the country anyway, so. But if I were to do it, I would go out of the country, you know what I'm saying? Is it the right way? Man, y'all hear them pops? Oh, there's a bridge. We're gonna try to get a pop right here. Oh, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that sounded great. Oh, here's a bridge right here. Damn. See, if I did that in a hellcat, I would have started spinning, slid around the corner, hit the wall. Nah, I'm just kidding. Maybe. What is this? It's that Porsche. I see that electric Porsche. Finna get y'all a little clip with it, you know what I'm saying? I wish I could show y'all the sound of that car, but that bitch don't got no sound. What is this? This the Porsche too? Bro, I done seen 3 Porsches today. I seen a crazy one though. Like earlier, I saw like a green type. That's blue, ain't it? I saw a green one, like lime green, slime green. You know what I'm saying? Bro, these roads empty as hell. I'm gonna give y'all boys a pull right quick. Oh my God, did y'all hear that shift? That bitch said, that was a loud shift, I'm not gonna lie. But I give y'all one more pull, you know what I'm saying? Since we ain't getting no crazy clip in this. But I'm gonna give y'all boys one more pull. You ready? Hold on. We need all the power we can get, even though we're not gonna spin this high. Let's do it. We're gonna do the automatic downshift. You know, if you, oh hell no, never mind. Somebody flashing their lights. Fuck that. Sorry, y'all boys. I don't know what that's for. Not trying to find out. So, unless they're flashing at me, because I got dark tail lights. I'll give y'all one slight pull real quick. God damn, my shit is feeling crazy right now. Oh, hell no. This nigga is crazy. What the fuck? But that's gonna be the end of this video. If If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. I do a lot of POVs on here, so if you're new, make sure you subscribe and like the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm out.